cordial greetings, tutor. My name is Sandrit Rios, and will present the predictions with my partners.
Hello, my name is Marley Pacheco.
My name is Diana Rodriguez.
My name is Valentina Lázaro.
And I will present my predictions. Education and jobs. According to a study, the teachers will not be so needed because the students will use more technology and the internet, being more autonomous. Some documents say the language English will be global language. Some experts mention that collaborative learning will be most used. The expert mentions the evaluation will be in the game mode. Some studies say that apps will be the learning method most used. Jobs. According to some companies, the work will be more flexible and independent. Some experts mentioned the work in the future will be more autonomy. According some companies will seek people with multidisciplinary talent for work. According to studies, will we integrate the new technology such as robotic and intelligence artificial. And some documents say that people will not work at the office because thanks for technology will make from any place. Thank you.
I will present technology and transportation. I see. I will present the prediction technology and transportation. Number one, nanobots will connect our brains directly out to the code. He believes that by 2050, nanobots will connect our brains directly to the code. Having is of full immersive virtual reality from the nervous system. Number two, the reincarnation of the people trunk A, some scar I know, and probably most religion people will be very ancient. It, however, Bruce Wayne says that we will be able to break back our relatives strong artificial intelligence. And number three, um, I will become an ex-positive world motivator. Many people worry, about in our lives as they think tank in the robots will replace people. In number four, lot technology will change products the things according to Ford by 2050 everything is expensive to be connected to the cloud in the end and the internet. And number five, space tourists a week to orbit. According to Business Insider, space tourism hold feasible by 2050, but probably and only for very wealthy. Um, number number six, the technology in transportation. Autonomous taxi. They are large drones with 70 in transportation. Two passengers at the time they are on drive in Dubai. Magnetic trains in service in Germany, China, Japan, and South Korea. Pardon, sorry. They are powered with electric chair magnets and reach an speed of kilometers per hour. Hyperloop system. These are trains that travel in pressurized tubes and race wide speeds. LF buses, they are vehicles that travel on rate about regular of urban traffic. And autonomous car trucks, they have already been this in various parts of the world. Thank you.
Listo.
I will present my pressure. Number one, I am currently in a insurance plan to country proficient during in a year. Number two, I am learning about handling bookings so to in the not too distant future I can add idea. Number three, in a 3 years and way to have my degree completed with the will of wood. Number four, from now on I am managing money wills to get my own tiflit house. Number five, I 9 days of visit myself. I go for a ride in my own car with my favorite music. Thanks.
¿Se ve?
Listo. Puedes iniciar.
Okay. The prediction of lifestyle at free time. According to some websites, people will do try were fasting. Some experts say that young people will hardly contact with the external world. Internet sites that people will have more comfortable life. Some people say they will not have as many responsibilities anymore. Insistence say people will need more food. According to experts, people will no longer go outside to have food. Some say that in the future everyone will have more free time than normal. A sentence talk about people having a healthy life. Some say that people will have less healthy life. Experts affirm that there will be a more productive life. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. And conclusion mode say that the internet and technology will be very used in the future. Thank you.